In today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence, especially when it comes to cooking meals. Thankfully, kitchen appliances like pressure cookers have revolutionized the way we cook, providing convenience, speed, and a host of other benefits. This video explores the numerous advantages of using a pressure cooker in your kitchen, highlighting how it can save you time and energy, and even enhance the nutritional value of your meals. Incorporating a pressure cooker into your kitchen can transform your cooking experience, providing you with time-saving efficiency, energy conservation, and deliciously nutritious meals. The ability to cook faster while retaining the natural flavors and nutrients of your ingredients makes pressure cookers a valuable addition to any kitchen. Embrace the convenience and versatility of pressure cooking and discover a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Time-saving efficiency. One of the primary advantages of a pressure cooker is its ability to significantly reduce cooking time. Traditional cooking methods often involve simmering, boiling, or baking for extended periods, but a pressure cooker can cut down cooking times by up to 70%. The sealed, airtight design of a pressure cooker creates a high-pressure environment that raises the boiling point of water. Consequently, food cooks faster and more evenly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals in a fraction of the time required for conventional methods. 2. Energy efficiency. In addition to saving time, pressure cookers also help conserve energy. By reducing cooking time, these appliances minimize the amount of heat required for meal preparation. This energy-efficient approach can have a positive impact on your utility bills while reducing your carbon footprint. Pressure cookers are an eco-friendly option that allows you to cook efficiently while minimizing energy consumption. 3. Enhanced nutritional value. The rapid cooking process of a pressure cooker preserves the natural flavors, colors, and nutrients of the ingredients. Since the cooking time is significantly reduced, fewer vitamins and minerals are lost during the process. Studies have shown that pressure cooking retains more vitamins, such as vitamin C and B vitamins, compared to other cooking methods. Additionally, the high-pressure environment helps break down tough fibers and proteins, resulting in tender and juicy meats. 4. Versatility and variety. Pressure cookers are incredibly versatile appliances that can handle a wide range of recipes. From soups and stews to risotto, beans, grains, and even desserts, a pressure cooker can accommodate various dishes. Furthermore, these appliances often come with different settings and functions, allowing you to customize the cooking process to suit your needs. Some pressure cookers even have pre-programmed settings for specific meals, making it easier than ever to cook a variety of delicious recipes with minimal effort. 5. Retention of natural flavors. Since pressure cooking is a sealed method, it locks in the natural flavors of the ingredients. The steam created within the cooker intensifies the taste of herbs, spices, and seasonings, resulting in more flavorful meals. The concentrated flavors ensure that your dishes are delicious and satisfying, even without the need for excessive seasoning or additives. 6. Tenderizing tough cuts of meat. Pressure cookers excel at tenderizing tough cuts of meat. The high-pressure environment helps break down collagen and connective tissues, transforming even the toughest cuts into succulent, melt-in-your-mouth delicacies. With a pressure cooker, you can enjoy the tenderness and flavors of slow-cooked dishes like pot roasts and braised meats in a fraction of the time. 7. Safe and convenient. Modern pressure cookers are equipped with advanced safety features that make them easy and safe to use. They are designed with secure locking mechanisms, pressure release valves, and built-in timers to prevent accidents and ensure a hassle-free cooking experience. Additionally, pressure cookers are designed to be easy to clean, with removable parts that can be washed separately. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest appliance trends and technologies, providing expert opinions. Here, you'll get updated on the latest home appliance news and exclusive content. We also provide reliable service that uses the latest tools and technology to fix any appliance issues, ensuring flawless functionality. Also check out our website at www.ayappliancecompany.com for home appliance installation, repair, and home tech services. With just one click, you can book our services and have help on the way. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in home appliances and technology.